I'm Luke Hoffman and we're here in Cocha, Spain in the Sammic headquarters. I'll be showing you this piece of equipment. It's the TR200 commercial immersion blender. It has high performance in small balls. It's a professional piece of equipment. Sammic immersion blender TR200 is a manufacturer from top durable products. Its ergonomic design makes the appliance one of the most comfortable models in the market. The new Sammic compact hand mixer TR200 consists of 250 watt fixed speed motor block designed to obtain professional results, and a 200mm stainless steel arm with only 6.5 centimeters blade protection hood, especially designed to be used in small balls. The arm is completely made out of stainless steel. It's compatible to work with food, and it meets the hygienic and safety regulations set by the NSF. The tempered stainless steel blades of the liquidizer shaft guarantee for a long life toughness and resistance to breaking. All Sammic hand mixers are very easy to use. Press the on and off button together with the safety one and the appliance will operate. The quality of the final product is very good and done in the minimum amount of time. The cleaning of the appliance is very easy. After each use, the device is operated in hot water to remove debris. To clean the motor block, simply pass a damp cloth. If you're interested in a variable speed model, remember that you can obtain a variable speed immersion blender using a TR-BM250 variable speed motor block together with the new BXS arm.